With a case plan, it's likely you'll have many clients with similar goals and action items, which are standardized to help achieve those goals. So to help streamline that process, oftentimes you'll have a common template-driven step-by-step to help ensure the right goals with the right actions are included. Within Salesforce, you will simply select from a pre-populated list of options and begin selecting the ones that are relevant to what your client is hoping to achieve. To access case plans within Salesforce, simply head over to your contact record. In this case, we'll continue to use Joe Williams as our example. Within Joe's contact record, we'll select the Case Plans tab. And to create a new case plan, we'll hit the New button. For this new case plan, we'll call it Job Readiness. And we'll attach it to Joe, who is the appropriate contact for this case plan. We'll hit Next and select the program that is supporting this case plan, which in this case will be job training. And once we're at the stage of selecting the goals, this is what I mean by a pre-populated list of options. Here, as a case manager, I will have to pick the appropriate goals that will fit Joe's needs. For example, because this is a job readiness case plan, I will pick the complete mock interviews and identify potential employers as Joe's goals. The next step here is to pick a list of action items for each corresponding goal. For the sake of this video, we'll pick all of these action items for Joe to complete. And once we're happy with this, we can hit Next and review our final case plan before we save. For the sake of this video, we already have a case plan created for Joe, which is called the Housing Assistance Plan, and we'll go ahead and click on that. Within this case plan, what you can do is as you work with Joe over the coming months, you can come back to this case plan and begin to mark the progress being made. For example, you can see the goal associated with this case plan, what's the status of that goal, as well as the progress bar for each action item. If you want to drill deeper, you can look into the individual action items for this particular goal, the due dates for each one, the status, and then optionally, who is this action item assigned to. Now, because of so much of the work case managers do is face-to-face interactions with clients and taking notes, we've made it easy to log services delivered directly from a note. Simply go towards the Client Notes tab at the very top, and we'll search up Joe Williams. And here again, we can see all of the previous notes and interactions we've recorded with Joe. If you select any particular note, we can see a Add Service Delivery button at the bottom. And we'll go ahead and click on that. Service delivery begins to show the level of services provided to Joe as part of the overall program of job training that Joe is currently participating in. Service delivery also allows organizations to define specific services that are and will be delivered to Joe as she progresses through the program. By being able to add service delivery directly from the note, this really streamlines the work of logging notes as well as recording service deliveries.